Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to open the notification bar and right now tap on the Bluetooth icon and click and hold it. After that, okay, never mind, just simply tap on it, and after that we have to move for the settings. Enter for the Bluetooth settings and do the same on the second smartphone that you want to connect or the second device. And as you can see right now, Niteo find my Huawei P30 Pro. So just simply tap on the device that you want to connect. Right now accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now our smartphones are connected. Here we got my smartphone Huawei P30 Pro and the parity devices, and the same you can check on this Huawei where the Niteo Tools Titan is also in the paired devices. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!